It was good with y'all niggas. We back with another reach of the 48 laws of power analysis. You know what I'm saying? We going hard as usual, right? So let's get straight into law number 16, right? And it talks about absence creates power, right? Let's see what the book got to say for us. Absence creates power, but if I implement absence too soon, you'll be forgotten. So first, you have to be seen everywhere by your target, and at the peak of the moment, withdraw from your target and see how they'll instantly worship you since you've just increased your value. This is why in seduction, women fall in love from not being around with you. It creates mystery in intriguing situations. It's all about the timing. Do it right, and people will see you as a god. Do it wrong, and you'll be forgotten. Alright, let's take it in from the woman perspective. We know I think it doesn't matter if you don't get girls or you do. You know that with chicks you don't smother them, you don't go up in their faces. You gotta give them space to come. You gotta give them space to come to you. And of course, like I said, if you do it too soon, the chick will be like, it's hard. I didn't really like him like that. You see what I'm saying? That's why it's like it's important for you to like for the target to always be reminded of you, whether it be through because like this should be a certain period of time. Like of course, this period of time you have to be on, you have to be seen. She has to see you. She has to hear from you. She has everything has to remind you of you. This is why like if you check the red pill, they say takes once a week. That's enough. That's really enough. Because that means every week she has you in your mind. She has you on your mind, right? In her mind. And at the same time, you're not smothering her. So you're kind of doing it both ways. This is why it's important. That's why in the report they emphasize on creating mystery, creating uncertainty. Like 1 week you can't text her, the next you won't, 2 weeks you won't, a whole month you won't. You know what I'm saying? That's why you have to give them like sort of like a game. You know what I'm saying? They have to chase you, play a cat and mouse game sort of. And yeah, this is why let's go back to it. It says absence creates power. Of course, because like I'm not sure who did this, but like Roosevelt, yeah, Roosevelt or Roosevelt. I'm not sure. He was an American president, right? When you got into the president, when you became president of America during the Vietnam War, I believe. As soon as he got elected, he was nowhere to be seen, right? People thought that people thought that he had you know what I'm saying, he had given up. He was not ready for what he asked for. He wasn't ready. They thought that, but then as soon as he came back with implementing so many strategies and all that. The fact that showed to counteract. You see what I'm saying? There was mystery. They thought this, but then he came and proved otherwise. It wasn't like that. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's all. It's all about the right timing. With everything, timing is everything. You know what I'm saying? The world, timing is everything. This is why, if for example, chicks, if you pull back too soon, she won't give a fuck. If you do it too late, she won't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? You gotta give them a middle ground. And yeah, that's law number 16 for y'all niggas. Don't forget to like, comment below, subscribe. I got a free ebook, Blueprint to Success. You know what I'm saying? Check it out on Amazon. If you want, comment down below, Blueprint to Success with your email. I'll send you the free ebook version, free of charge, no strings attached. And yeah, holler back at your boy. And never stop fucking grinding. Shit.